You'll get in one shot at this. So get it right. Get it right.
Hey everybody, it is Giacomo. How y'all doing? I was talking with a British bloke I picked up the other day, right? Sorry, best I could do. And we got to talking about hair, and you see I need a haircut here. Thank you for the compliment, by the way, whoever that was, my last video. And I remarked on something we were talking about, because he's a little younger than myself. Maybe he was in his early 40s, and he was, completely top gone, little left in the sidewalls, and that was about it. And I still got this mane up here. But there was a time a couple years ago when I noticed the thinning started to happen. And when I met my dad again the second time, when he stayed with me, that is, he told me that he went bald at 40. Now I'm 49, and I kept thinking, okay, well, this is it. I mean, my hair's gonna start falling out. That's gonna be the end of everything. So I started cutting a little bit shorter, kind of preparing myself to do the Michael Jordan thing. Is, hey, it's going, let it go. But a curious thing happened. My cousin, who at the time, she may still do, I haven't talked to her in a little while, who worked for Warner Brothers, gave me and my other cousin, her daughter, tickets to go see the Dodgers. And they had box seats, so, down on the ground next to the pitcher pretty much. I'm sorry, first baseman, that is. And right after that, because we were outside, it was about 90 degrees that day. This is LA after all. I noticed that my hair thickened a little bit, maybe a week or so later. Like, wait, what happened? I don't understand. My hair was thinning a little while ago. And then on top of that, I kind of quit wearing baseball caps and quit wearing, knit caps and whatnot. And coincidentally, or not so coincidentally, I was eating a lot more carrots. And suddenly, this started happening all over again. Now, mind you, this is pretty much after, long after I'd done How High, and I had, the big thick dreads like Maxwell, and was doing the cornrows thing, and I cut it because it got to be too much to work with. And it's right when I cut it for the first time in maybe 8 or 9 years that I noticed the thinning happening. So still, even today, I'm going to get a number 4 blade with a fade on the sides. My hair still does this. So that might be, sorry, try that again. That might be my advice to you is, if you notice that your hair is thinning, it might not be genetic. Don't just throw your hands up and say, that's it, I quit, or go get some chemical treatment, or get a rug on your forehead or nothing. Try what I tried. Get out of the house more. Take long walks in the sun. If if you're not real fair skinned, you don't burn easily. Eat a lot of carrots. Eat as many as you can stand. Maybe make it a point of eating 2 whole carrots every day. See if that does the trick. Because for sure when I did it, this came back. And I ain't ever going back to cutting my hair real short and preparing to fail. I'm Giacomo. Go ahead and grow it out if you can. Shalom.